Her feet on the dashboard, soften the backbeat. I gotta say something funny actually right here. It's the last show. Every time we do this song and I sing that first line, Hillary wants to do, my baby's riding shotgun, singing just a little off key.
Oh yeah.
Her feet on the dashboard, tapping down the backbeat. So every night I do that, she looks at me and she wants to do it, but she's afraid to do it. She thinks you're gonna think she like meant to sing off key. Alright, so as if we just started the song, forget everything that happened. My baby's riding shotgun, singing just a little off key.
Oh yeah.
Her feet on the dashboard, tapping out that backbeat. Well done.
Yes.
Song on the radio's talking about the love we made. Oh, I know just what she's thinking, man, I can't wait. Everybody dancing if you wanna. Oh, my sweet love, keep singing me home.
Keep singing, love, keep singing.
Oh, my sweet love, keep singing me home.
Keep singing, love, keep singing.
Tan light showing at the waist of a cut-off jeans. Her damn hair blowing out the window in the summer breeze. I got the sunshine shining through the windshield. Got her hand on her leg, with her on the wheel, singing my sweet love, keep singing me home.
Keep singing, love, keep singing.
Oh, my sweet love, keep singing me home.
Keep singing, love, keep singing.
Oh, and when we get together, the love we make together, it blows my mind every time. So, oh, I get See, that's what I always want to do. Mr. Dave Heller. So slide on in a little closer. Come on and lay your head here on my shoulder. Your husband's back there.
My neck just popped.
Your husband's back there.